Okay, we're checking out Klymit products today. I've done a few other unboxings too, so make sure you go to the end of this video and check out the cards that are linked at the end, and you'll be able to see some of the other products. I'll also create a playlist on my channel so you can see some of these great unboxings of these products. Now again, these are not full reviews. These are just quick unboxings, kind of a quick look at the product. And I try to do that before I take it out in the field and get it dirty and do all that so it looks nice. So I hope you're enjoying these videos. I hope you get some value out of them. So if you do, please hit that like button. Let's get started opening this box. Oh, nice. So I've really been wanting to check these out. These are the Klymit Everglow light tubes, and these come in a few different sizes. The two I have here is a 26-inch and a 34-inch. And this is really kind of the go-anywhere inflatable camp lantern. These are awesome. I've been seeing these on the internet and seeing some other reviews that people have done on these, and it looks like a fantastic product. Again, super innovative, something brand new from Klymit. Nothing like this on the market today. Lightweight, flexible design offers a variety of lighting options, and I'm looking forward to putting this on a car, maybe a van, something like that, to shed some light for some pictures that we're going to be doing for Klymit. White LED light with a dimmer switch, cool, to change the intensity of the light. I didn't know these had a dimmer switch, so that's pretty neat. And compatible with any USB power. I'm assuming that's for charging. And these are has a 2-year guarantee with it. Let's open it up and check it out. I'm excited to see this product for sure. If you know me, I'm always excited to see any outdoor product, but has a nice little stuff sack for it. And I'll just kind of unroll this. Yeah, look at that. And here's the USB charging, as well as the dimmer switch and the power switch. Looks like it's got a little nozzle you could probably just blow that up with your mouth. And the LED strip on the inside. And then this great colorway and material to protect it. So wow, that's really fantastic. Looks like you can use this as well to clip it up to something like a tent or something like that. We'll see what kind of multiple uses we can get out of this in the review. Again, at the end card on this video, once I post the review, we'll make sure and add that card there for you. Check down in the description below. I'll put a link to this product so you can see it firsthand on the internet. And if you're getting value out of this, I appreciate it. If it's your first time here, please subscribe, hit that like button, and also hit that bell notification too so you don't miss the review when it comes out. Thanks very much for joining me today, and I hope that you get outside and enjoy this wonderful fall weather. Bye-bye.